Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and super useful tutorial. How to change your profile picture on Patreon in 2025. Whether you're a creator building your brand or a supporter wanting to personalize your account, updating your profile pic is a simple way to stand out and keep things fresh. Let's jump right in. It's easier than you might think. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Patreon account. Head over to the Patreon website or app and enter your credentials. Once you're in, click on your current profile picture or avatar, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu. Next, select Settings or Account Settings from that menu. In 2025, Patreon's interface might have some updates, but look for the Profile section. It's typically straightforward. Once there, scroll down until you find the Profile Picture option. It might say something like Change Profile Photo or Edit Avatar. Now, click on that option, and you'll be prompted to upload a new image. Choose a file from your device. Patreon supports common formats like JPEG or PNG. After selecting your image, you'll have the chance to crop or edit it. Use the built-in tools to adjust it to a square shape, as that's often the recommended format for the best results. Once you're happy with how it looks, hit the Save or Confirm button. Your new profile picture should update almost instantly. Pro tip: always use a high-resolution image, at least 1000 by 1000 pixels, and keep it under 2 megabytes to avoid any upload errors. If you run into issues, like the image not loading, double-check your file size or head to Patreon's Help Center for troubleshooting. And there you have it. You're all set with a fresh new look on Patreon. This small change can make a big difference in your online presence. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.